I'm Ellie. I'm wearing a unique type of hanfu called 屈居身衣 that wraps around the body. It's a formal outfit with many layers, worn mainly for ceremonial purposes. This is a common style during the Qin and subsequent Han dynasties. You can find similar styles of shenyi in various archaeological discoveries. Now let's take a look at the individual pieces and how to wear them. The style I'm introducing today is a short version of the wraparound 屈居身衣, designed largely based on unearthed clay and wooden figurines. Most of these artifacts were found inside the Ma Wangdui archaeological site of the Western Han Dynasty. Unfortunately, after the Han Dynasty, the style decreased in popularity and was later on completely lost, so it's almost impossible at this point to replicate it. I can only show you as much as I know in this video. Now, without further ado, let's get right into it. The word 屈居 refers to the curved hem, and 身衣 is one of the most basic forms of hanfu, which is made up of the upper and lower garment sewed together at the waist. 身衣 is an outer coat, so people usually wear inner garments made of cotton or linen material underneath. This long innerwear pants has a modern elastic waistband instead of ties for convenience. This upper garment is in the style known as 交领右衽, or wrapping the right side before the left. I will talk more about this feature another time. The middle seam on both front and back represents a person's righteousness. It has narrow, straight sleeves. After putting it on, secure the right side first with the tie from the inside. Then cover it with the left side and tie it up on the right. This is a waist-high pleated skirt to match 屈居身衣. There are two ways to tie a traditional one-piece skirt. One style, you insert a belt through a hole in the middle. The other style uses an actual tie. My skirt is the latter style. Wrap the skirt around your waist and find the tie in the middle. Secure that first, then wrap the remaining skirt and tie again. This 屈居身衣 also complies with 交领右衽, with the right panel on the inside. We can see a triangular-shaped piece of fabric attached to the front of the garment. This could be the recorded 续衽钩边 in 礼记 or the Book of Rites. It basically means extended garment front that wraps around the body. And it can be secured with sash or ties. This garment has large sleeves, which is more suitable for ceremonial occasions. When putting it on, first insert your arms into the sleeves. And don't forget to take your hair out. Then tie the right panel first, and then roll the elongated triangular part to the right once and twice. At the end, find two long ties and secure them at the other side to hold it together. Add a sash belt, in this case, just for decoration. And you can tuck the ties under the belt to hide it. And that's it. I really like the color scheme of this outfit. You can see a glimpse of the middle layer peeking out, and the rhino pattern makes it look ancient yet exotic. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from this video. If there's anything else you'd like me to cover, please let me know in the comments below. See you next time!